Let's move on to losing it in Southfield. Uh-oh, this one's a long one. Buckle up, everybody.
Oh.
Losing it in Southfield says, I went to go close on the refinance of my home when I was told by my title company that there is a cloud on the title. It seems that there is an old mortgage that was never discharged by the bank of the previous homeowner. I did not buy the home from an individual. I bought this home from a bank. The problem is that the bank is no longer in business. We bought this home from the bank's REO, so the bank actually had foreclosed on the former owner. What can I do? Do I need to go to court? And how do I clear this up from losing it in Southfield?
Oh my God.
That's worst case scenario in a paragraph.
It's got a lot of stuff going on, doesn't it? You know, I come from banking and mortgage lending and finance, and so I've learned over the years how to like maneuver these things. I think the best way to do that, wow, I don't know. No, I'm kidding.
You need to call an attorney. Losing it.
Hold on. No. Well, first of all, first of all, title insurance is a risk management business, right? It's insurance, and they manage risk. So what I would do, and I'd probably get on the phone with the title company or an attorney for the title company, and I would actually want to see the abstract. The abstract is the actual documents that support the report that comes from the title company, okay? And to me, if I can see the mortgage was foreclosed properly with a sheriff's deed, I don't know why there'd be a requirement to have now a discharge from the mortgage company. And I'm going to tell you why. So this is like somebody at the title company either got this wrong. This is not that difficult. Okay. Somebody got this wrong at the title company, or these people got what they're supposed to do wrong.
Okay.
But if they're telling me that they got this question and the title company is saying that there's this issue, cloud on title, normal people, like lay people, don't deal with this. So somebody at the title company, I think, messed up. Here's the thing. The sheriff's deed, if it matches the mortgage information, and it's the sheriff's deed that matches the mortgage that was foreclosed on, I know there's a distinction. You don't need a discharge from the mortgage company or the bank. It doesn't matter that the bank's out of business. If they foreclosed on it and nobody redeemed that property, the bank now owns it. That's why it went through the REO.
Mm-hmm.
If a mortgage is foreclosed, you don't discharge a mortgage that's no longer in existence. That mortgage was extinguished by the sheriff's sale. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You only discharge a mortgage when the mortgage is still in effect. Okay. These people need to go back. And I don't know if they're going to watch. I mean, I don't know if losing it, don't lose it. Pick up the phone and call us, because that one is ridiculous. From what I can tell you, from what I hear, unless they foreclosed on a different mortgage. See, now there could be, I'm speaking too soon, there could be several mortgages that were on that property, and we don't know, well, no, because even if that's a priority lien, we call that the priority lien holder, they foreclosed on the property. They're the ones who are able to give these people the deed. Any other mortgages that were on the property don't need to be discharged. Do you know why, Blair?
Right, because they get wiped out.
The foreclosure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty confident that this is a mistake from the title company, unless they're telling me that, you know. Now, one thing that can happen is, a tax lien can show up that was not wiped out by a foreclosure because the IRS was not notified properly, and that could be the issue. We don't know. But there's enough here that makes me think that these people don't have to lose it. They can go back to the title company or pick up the phone, call a real estate attorney, and contact a real estate professional, an attorney, who will look at the paperwork to double check. And I really think that's the problem. I don't think this is an issue. Wow.
So in this case, would it make more sense to call you and then have you call and advocate with the title company rather than losing it be like,
yeah,
yeah. Sure.
You pick up the phone and you call a professional. You know, it's like an hour worth of, maybe not even an hour worth of work. and you review it. I do this a lot for clients, and we review the stuff, and you know, we don't usually pick up the phone. We will write a quick letter, and if I know the title company, if I know one of the owners or the agents,
Sure.
I will give a call and say, hey, are you sure? You know, did you take a look at this? And that happens quite often. Something's just doesn't sound right, but it sounds that these people were given the wrong information. It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, no, it certainly does. Okay. Well, all right, losing it. You can stop pulling your hair out and give David's office a call.
Yeah.
Yeah, that does sound funny. All right.